That's a nice one. You guys ever been here? If you charter a boat on the Kenai River to go sockeye fishing, they usually bring you right here. Kenai River sockeye salmon fishing is late. Or we hope, right? Where are the fish at, you guys? I'm out here looking for them. I know you're out there looking for them. Everyone's trying to find these fish. RJ, show me your fish. Nice. Check it out. $16.99 a pound. Previously frozen sockeye. Oh, if you guys like this content, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you. I'll keep making these videos. I hate to ask it, but what if the fish aren't coming? You just never know. There's so many things going on out there in the world, in the oceans. So what happens if the fish just don't show up this year? It's time to get out, because here's the thing about those salmon. They can be here one day and gone the next. I've seen it. People wait, they wait and they wait for those fish counts, and they think that the fish are going to show. And I've seen it. We've had years, not too distant past, I remember we've had years where they've reduced limits and they've shut down commercial fishing. It's happened. Okay. So make every single minute of this summer count and get out there this season and try to get your fish, guys. I'm gonna get back after it and see if I could find some today. Oh, few and far between, and a lot more water pushing me off my spots, making it a lot harder. It's tough. Let's keep fishing. Now I've made it to the island. Right there. This is where we're fishing today. On this incoming tide, it's a big one. It's almost a 25 footer. And it's early, people. It's dark. And I gotta sneak up on these fish. I want my boat at the top of this island. I'm gonna squeeze up there. Try not to scare all these fish. I gave it 3 scoops and I didn't hit a fish at all. Makes me concerned. The fish should be here by now. Now they might be taking a different path. So I'm gonna hunt around for them. Maybe they're in the slough back here. I just wonder if they're in there. I'm gonna give it a dip. Maybe they're traveling up this backside right now. I really don't know. That'd be cool if they are. That'd be a lot easier than what I was just doing. Mid-July, man, there's usually loads of fish coming in. This is wild. Where are they at? Where are they at? Oh, I'm gonna switch gears. I haven't even touched a fish at all. Oh my goodness. I've been working and working and working trying to find these fish, you guys. I'm genuinely getting concerned. I just don't get it, you know. Commercial fishermen weren't out yesterday. That should have allowed another push of fish into the river. And I'm just not seeing them. That's an hour and a half. This spot should have been loaded with fish. I didn't even touch one. That's fishing though, guys. This ain't over though. I'm gonna go find them. They're not here. They're not here right now. That cannot be the end of them. No way. All right, I'm gonna regroup. Paddle this boat home, tie it up, and figure out my next move. Oh my goodness. It's all about time in the water, not timing the water. Well, how's that? Tide came up and pushed me right off of that spot. No fish at all. I didn't touch anything in there. So I'm gonna try kind of a last ditch effort here. And I'm gonna drive 20 miles to a little secret spot I know of on the Kenai River. On the trail down to the spot. Let's see. I saw 6 cars parked out front. I haven't been down here in a couple years, you guys. Things change every season. And I hope it's just like what I remember. See any fish down there? Not yet?
Very little.
Not yet, huh? There's the first report. 2 fishermen walking out empty-handed. Where are they at? Look at where the guides are today. Oh yeah, right on the other side of the river. Right there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of the people are up here. Maybe they're not on the spot. Hopefully I can get on the best spot down here. If there's no fish, there's no fish though, huh? Right there. Fish on down there? I see the guide running for the net. Whenever you see the guide running for the net, you know it's game on. Let's see where he's at. Oh, he's all the way down on the bottom. He's running. He's right there. Gotta be going for a fish, huh? Oh, he is. Right there. Hard to see it. That's a fish getting scooped. There you go. Oh, he said it's a big rainbow trout. Interesting. Big rainbow trout right there. Huh. Not what we're after. In my experience, when you see the trout, it's because the salmon aren't in there. Well, let's keep going down this trail. It's a windy one. Remember this push key, you guys. Try not to rub against that with your bare skin. You'll regret it. Little rainbow trout. Cool though. Man, I see guides. There are a lot of guides on this river, huh? Ooh, on the spot. On the spot, and nobody's in here. Sometimes out here, you guys, this gets dangerous. The current here will sweep you right off your feet. Right down there below that slough, at the bottom of it, there's an island. The guides call it the factory, and that's because it produces. Yeah, look at that. A little flagpole. You're not allowed to touch this island. They're very protective over it. But I do like this flagpole. Check that out. Whoever put this here, right on. It's holding up pretty good. I was wondering if there was hooks on here to hang your bag or to hang your net. Clever, clever. If I'm so lucky to have a fish, look at that, my little net holder. I like that. I like that. Not a lot of current yet though. Very surprising. And I haven't seen too many fish get caught up there where that guide's working. I don't know. Let's work this area. See if my fish is sitting in here. Man, I've been fighting this spot. It's been tough. It's raining out here pretty good. I've been watching 20 people fish for over an hour. Nada. There's another trail right down through here, through these woods. I'm gonna run down there. I don't know if I can get to the spot where I think I might be able to fish, but at least we'll be able to see where the guides are sitting. See all those people up there? Here's the trail. Let's go walk around out here, huh? Wow, look at where I'm at. Look at this spot. You guys ever been here? If you charter a boat on the Kenai River to go sockeye fishing, they usually bring you right here. They call it the factory. Right across the river, right directly over there, that's Big Eddie. And I'm looking for stringers with fish. I don't see any yet. How's it going? You guys catching fish out here?
I lost one.
You did?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
That's,
spit the hook at me.
how long ago was that?
I hate to tell you, a couple hours.
Oh, yeah.
I bumped one.
Yeah. Cool.
All we need is a school.
That's
right?
it. That's it. We're here.
Yeah.
These guys are filleting a fish. Is that what they look like?
Hey, dude, Ryan!
How's it going?
This is the guy!
What's up, man?
About a video?
I want to look at your fish. You got some fish?
This is Around the Bend Fishing, Kenai, Alaska.
Around the bend?
Around the Bend Fishing.
Is that your charter business?
Yeah.
Dude, sweet.
Yeah.
You're the only one out here with fish.
Yeah, remember we called you last year, we wanted to take you out?
Okay.
We were like, hey, get us on your channel.
It's happening, huh? You're about to be on it. What's up, guys?
Hey, you're the first videos I checked out.
Oh, is that true?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Welcome.
Yeah,
Right here, Around the Bend.
Around the Bend Fishing.
Yeah, Sim Paxman. 907 912 0049. And right there, put a face to that name. Can I look at your fish?
Yeah, sure.
Dude, you got a nice body, huh?
Well,
look at that.
But,
How long ago did you catch this? Today.
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half. Oh, wow, look at that one. That's a fatty.
Yeah.
See, they get up to 9 pounds like that. Ooh. Yeah, I walked in from College Hole.
Yeah.
And I wasn't going to come down here. And then I'm like, you know what? Somebody's got fish down there.
Yeah.
Sim's got fish down here. Yeah. And that's your boy filleting?
Yeah, this is Simmy.
What up, Simmy? Yeah, you got the ironing board out here. That's cool. Is this your ride you're on?
Yeah, this is the boat.
Sweet, dude. That's killer. So do you got open slots this next week, or?
I'm wide open.
You're wide open. Okay.
18th, 19th, 20th.
Yeah?
No boat.
18th, 19th, 20th? Right here, you guys. Come on out.
And then all of August, I'm wide open.
August too, huh? What do you catch in August?
Silvers.
Silver salmon
And
fishing.
you sit in the boat and you just wait for the rod to go down.
Yeah.
And you know.
Oh yeah, we know. We know. Silver salmon fishing, you guys. Are you gonna bust open this fatty?
Yeah.
Show us how it's done, youngster. That's a nice fish, huh? Look at that, big male. Those fillets are like 6 inches tall, huh? Jeez, very nice. Yeah, you guys. I know.
We got here at 8.
8 in the morning.
There was people that were here at like 3 a.m.
How'd they do? Any good?
No.
Nobody did good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did the Kasilof this morning and I did no good.
They have commercial guys out in they're doing gill netting out there.
Right.
They got like 270,000 the other day. I'm sure they got another 300,000.
Yeah, they're hitting them hard. Yeah. That right there, that guy was heading for the Russian River.
Yeah, that's a little one, huh?
Almost looks like it, huh? You bet.
I'll get a hold of you. I don't know.
Yeah.
You got my number, but
yeah,
give
man.
me a call and
Sweet. Glad to see you're still going out here.
Thanks.
Yeah, you're in it, man. Holy smokes. I thought that was like a dolphin when you pulled it out of the water. It's so big. That's a huge female, huh? Dang, that's what they look like. You guys, that's what they look like.
Why did you catch such a small one?
That's a huge female, huh?
Damn.
Jeez. Way to go, man. And you guys just got here?
Yeah.
Oh, no way. Everyone I've been talking to has been out here fishing for hours. They had the most fish. They had 3. Look at that female. That's gonna be 8-pounder, huh? Nice, man. Woohoo! Sorry to get in your way.
You're fine.
I'm just excited. Seeing a fish out here. That's cool. They just showed up right there. Banged out that big one real quick. I'm gonna try, huh? Never know out here when the fish are coming through. They could be right there. You can't see in this water. Oh. Any amount of rain, man. I'll fish in for a little bit. But when it pours on you all day like this, it just wears you out. You know what I'm saying? There's been people fishing out here. We've been out here for a couple hours and I've only seen a couple fish caught. Look at that one. That one doesn't have much life left in it. Ooh, it's already turned colors and got a green head. That thing must have been in here a while, huh? Like me, I feel like I've been in here a while too, and I'm just not getting the action I'd like to see. Well, I'm glad I came out here, honestly. It's pouring rain out here, but it was worth the walk down. This spot, I'm sure, just gets filled with fish. They're just not quite here yet. So are they still coming, you guys? We hope so, don't we? Looking for those sockeye salmon here in Alaska. Thanks for coming along with me on this adventure, guys. Hope you're having a good one and being safe out there. Take care, and I'll see you next time.